Yo, good day everyone. Ako po si Sky Reva. Welcome to Man Cannot Ride. I've been thinking about this for so long now na sa tingin ko, actually ilang beses na ako nakagawa ng video tungkol dito pero hindi ko ma-post kasi kinakabahan ako at natatakot ako. But right now, I think hindi ko alam kung ipopost ko pa rin to. But eto, I was thinking, I am thinking na mag-offer ng free suspension diagnostics and suspension basic setup, sag tsaka preload maybe or damping, the basic lang. Free dahil wala naman akong SEC certification, hindi ako businessman, wala akong business certificate, wala akong karapatan, and I'm not registered to earn money as a business entity. So gusto kong legal. Ayoko nung balahurang diskarte na walang SEC certification, hindi registered, hindi walang business permit pero merong shop. Maraming ganyan. So what I'm planning to do is siguro magpo-post ako ng, let's say tatambay ako sa isang lugar kung saan alam kong maraming dumadaan na big bikes, or even basta kahit anong motor na merong suspension na may adjustability. So mostly big bikes nga. So I'm thinking of posting something like, tatambay ako sa ganitong araw, sa ganitong oras, and you can go there, you can talk to me, and we can talk about suspension, and we can talk about diagnosing your suspension system. Sasabihin ko lang kung ano yung mapapansin ko. Pauupuin ko kayo sa motor, yuyugyugin lang natin ng konti, tingnan natin, susukatin ko lang yung sag, and I will tell you, hey, your front sag is too small, your rear sag is too much. Sabihin ko lang yun. Then sasabihin ko sa kanya na, okay, sige, ang recommendation ko, dalhin mo kay ganito, dalhin mo kay ganyan, ipaset mo yung ganito, ipaset mo yung ganyan, paayos mo yung preload, and that's it. And it's free. Dadaldal lang naman ako, diba? Magtututbrush ako, promise. Tapos magmamask din ako kung kinakailangan. Or if we can go further, I can probably use some of the basic tools. Let's say nakita ko na yung damping masyadong soft yung compression, let's add a little bit of compression. So 1 click, 2 clicks, 3 clicks, test ride mo, balik ka dito. Kung ayaw mo, babalik natin. Kung gusto mo, uuwi ka na, mag-ride ka na, then that's it. I'll gain maybe new friends. Sa tingin nyo? Kinakabahan ako kasi hindi ako kinakabahan na baka walang pumunta kasi alam kong walang pupunta eh. Kinakabahan ako na I will be tinkering with other motorcycles. At hindi ko yun ginagawa kahit nung may race car ako. Ang daming nagtatanong sa akin kung pwede ko daw i-set up yung race car nila o yung kotse nila, pero tumatanggi ako kasi sabi ko, buhay nyo yan eh. Pag kinalabit ko yung mga sasakyan nyo, baka mamaya hindi nyo magustuhan, ako ang sisisihin nyo, diba? Kahit na hindi ako nagpapabayad, ayoko nung nasisisi at ayoko nung nasasabihan ng ikaw kasi ginalaw mo, ikaw kasi yun. So what I'm trying to do here is I'm trying to be brave, and ito yung pay it forward na sinasabi sa akin ni Dave Moss. Natuto ako ng suspension tuning kay Dave Moss, and I've been talking to Dave Moss for 3 years now. Sa tingin ko meron na akong lakas ng loob na i-tackle yung mga basics lang, as in basics lang. Pag meron kang dinala sa akin na M1000 RR na full electronic suspension, baka mahimatay na ako noon, but I think I can do it. But anyway, so what I'm trying to do is paying it forward. Gusto kong i-promote yung road safety, gusto kong i-promote yung pagpapahalaga sa proper setup ng suspension, because it has a lot of effects sa safety and performance ng ating pag-ride na binabaliwala ng halos 99% of Filipino riders. I don't, forgive me, I don't see shit. I don't see anyone caring about suspension. Yung mga moto vloggers na napapanood ko na dinadala nila sa mga shop yung mga suspension, yung mga motor nila for suspension check, forgive me ha, pero wala namang explanation, walang patawad ha, pero wala, hindi sapat yung kaalaman. Walang natututo doon sa videos nila dahil ganun, okay, then that's it. Or yung mga shop mismo patama ang gawa. I don't know. Ngayon nagdududa na uli ako kung ipopost ko ang video na to, but I might try to do that. Subukan ko one time. Around Makati and BGC muna siguro. Hanap ako ng spot. Pagdating ko dun sa spot, I will put up a flashcard, like siguro cartolina or illustration board, and magpapaalam ako dun sa parking space or dun sa shop na kung anong meron doon. And I'm just gonna say na tatambay lang ako dito, mag-invite ako ng mga riders, and then we will do some basic suspension check and basic setup, basic settings. Let's see if that's feasible or not. And again, ang layunin ko dito is makatulong. Ang layunin ko dito is ma-promote yung kahalagahan ng proper setup ng suspension for safety and performance ng motor. Okay, I think I will post this video, and this is an invitation na abangan nyo. I don't know how to do it yet. Kung paano ko siya ipopromote or i-announce ko siguro sa Facebook, pero sa Facebook, ang Facebook page ko meron lang 300 followers. Ang average view is 5 views per video. So I don't know. Maybe sa TikTok, pero ang TikTok ko is I don't know. I'll find a way. Yun naman yung motto ko, there's always a way. So I'll find a way kung paano ko ipopromote itong iniisip kong kabirduhan sa pagmumotor. So there you go. I'm planning on offering free suspension diagnostics and basic suspension setup for anyone who's interested. I'll post the location, the time, and I will buy some tools. Mag-i-invest ako sa tools para meron akong proper tools for everyone. Well, thank you in advance kung I'm excited. Ano nga, na-imagine ko na yung araw na yun, tapos biglang may darating sa akin, tapos naka BMW GS telelever setup. Shit. I don't know. Let's see. Magtititigan lang ng Anyway, again, I have so many suspension videos dito sa channel na to, and kahit kung papanoorin nyo yung lahat, matututo na kayo on your own, and you can do it on your own. And I'm promoting that, learning on your own and doing your setup on your own. Hindi nyo kailangan bumayad ng napakalaking service labor fee or what. No, napakadaling magtono ng suspension. It's just a matter of being interested in the proper setup for safety and performance. Kung interesado kayo, there is a way, and you will enjoy it, and you will feel the rewards of having a better bike. 99% of riders don't give a shit about suspension. So dun sa 1% na naniniwala, I'm inviting you. Abangan nyo yung post ko. Okay? So I will see you on the road. I will see you on the next video. Dito sa Man Cannot Ride. Thank you so much for all your support. You have a nice day, everyone. Okay?